Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let me start GK Unit H, chapter number 37 Popular Indians. Recognize these famous Indians taking the help from the group box. She was a queen of the Hawker dynasty, often called the philosopher queen, Ahilya Bai.
Sis. Mm, mm, mm,
Number two, he was considered to be the father of the Indian atomic energy program and was a famous scientist. ये हैं जहांगीर भाभा. जहांगीर भाभा.
He was
Number three, he was a famous poet, saint of the Bhakti movement, and a weaver by profession, Sant Kabir. He is considered to be one of the greatest batsmen of his generation. India's most important first-class cricket tournament is named after him. He is K.A. Ranjit Singh. K.S. Ranjit Singh ji. K.S. Ranjit Singh ji. Okay. Number 5. India's first satellite was named after a great mathematician and astronomer of the ancient period. Who was he? He's Aryabhat. Aryabhatta. He became the first Minister of Education after independence and was a freedom fighter and a supporter of Hindu-Muslim unity. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Number 7. He founded the Tata Group of companies and is regarded as the father of Indian industries. Tata Group of companies. Jamshedji Tata. Jamshedji Tata. Okay. Next, number 8.
live on
A devotee of Lord Krishna and social reformer of the 16th century, Bengal, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, everyone. So this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 38. First among Indians. Answer the following question with the help of the box. Number 1, name the first Indian. Name the first Indian Chief Justice of India. Justice Hira Lal J. Justice Hira Lal J. Kanya.
Hallelujah. Yeah.
Justice Hiralal J. Kani. Okay. Now, number 2. Name the first Indian governor of a British province. Lord Espesina. Let me check. Number 3. Name the first Indian in space. Rakesh Sharma. Squad leader Rakesh Sharma. Okay. Next, number 4. Name the first Indian woman to conquer the Everest Bachendri Pass. Number 5. Name the first woman judge of Supreme Court, Fatima Bibi. Number 6. Name the first president of India, Indian National Congress. Banerjee, who is W.C. Banerjee. Name the first Indian Air Chief Marshal, Arjun Singh. Number 8. Name the first scientist to get Bharat Ratna Award, C.V. Raman. Number 9. Name the first president of the Indian Union, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 10. Name the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize, Rabindranath Tagore. Number 11. Name the first Indian prince and test cricketer who played for English cricket team. K.S. Ranjit Singh ji. Okay. Next, number 12. Name the first Indian to climb the Everest. Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay. Number 13. Name the first Indian to win the Lenin Peace Prize, Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu. Number 14. Name the first Indian woman to become President of UN General Assembly. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Okay. And the last one, number 50. Name the first Indian governor of Reserve Bank of India. So, Dr. C.D. Deshmukh. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 39. Festival of India. India is the land of festivals. A number of festivals are celebrated in different parts of India. So, read the description below and write their name. You can take help from the clue box. So, this day is celebrated 15 days before Diwali. To mark the setting of winter, people prepare saffron flavored kheer on this day, Sharad Purnima. This day is celebrated to mark the day when Lord Brahma created the world, Gudi Padwa. This festival is celebrated by Parsis to celebrate setting of spring, also known as Parsi New Year Day. So, Faluda, Rava and Mawani Boi are special dishes of this day. Jamshedi Navroz. Number 4, it is a famous festival of Kerala. A procession of decorated elephants is taken to Trichy to participate in the festival. So this is Puram. Number 5, on this day, snakes are worshipped, milk and cooked rice are offered to snakes, Nag Panchami. This is one of the most popular festival of Odisha when Lord Jagannath's brother Balram and sister Subhadra are taken out on chariots rath which is pulled by lakhs of devotees. So this is Rath Yatra. Number 7, this South Indian festival is named after Tamil month which coincides with Magh. On this day, devotees walk over burning coals, Thai Pusam. Okay, the chapter is in here. Everyone, now let's we begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. A heritage of historic site and official location where pieces of political, military, cultural or social history have been preserved due to their cultural heritage value. So historical places are protected by law and many have been recognized with the official national historical site statues. Write the name of the monuments, taking the help of pictures and descriptions given below. You may take help from clue box. So number 1, Maharashtra, which demonstrate the fusion of 3 religions. So this is Ellora. Ellora.
Bobby. Bye-bye.
Okay, so Ellora. Ellora caves है ना, अजंता Ellora caves. Next one. Number 2, it is known for the fusion of both Hindu and Mughal architecture and is located in near Jaipur. ये है अंबर फोर्ट. Number 3, it was built by Asaf-ud-Dawla, the Nawab of Awadh, and is located in Lucknow. So it is Bada Imam Bada. It is located in Fatehpur Sikri near Agra. It was built by Akbar and is made of red sandstone. ये है बुलंद दरवाजा. Number 5, it is world's tallest standing stone tower located in South Delhi. Its construction began in 1192 by Qutbuddin Aibak and was completed by Iltutmish. Qutub Minar. Number 6, it is a memorial building dedicated to Queen Victoria of the United Kingdom. It is located in a former capital of British India. So it is Victoria Memorial.
Any of the
Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 41. Famous monuments. Our planet is full of breathtaking architecture and each architecture represents its own national identity. So here we have discussed some famous monuments which hold a world record and are also historically very significant. Okay, number 1, the Sydney Opera House is a multi-bands performing arts center in New South Wales, Australia. Okay, it was conceived and largely built by a Danish architect, John Olson, and got opened in 1973. Okay, over a long gestation that began with his petition winning design in 1957. Number 2, Big Ben is located in the Palace of Westminster in London. This is the tallest clock tower faced in and is the largest clock tower of the world. So the clock tower's dials have been framed out of from plate. Number third, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is situated in Italy in Pisa. The tower leans towards the right side from the top story. It is one of the most beautiful monuments around the world. Millions of people go there just to catch an eye of this beautiful tower. Number 4, the Taj Mahal is situated in Agra in India. It was built by the Emperor Shah Jahan in the loving as memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So it has been recognized through the world. It is a white dome marble and is considered as a symbol of love. Number 5, Parthenon is a temple in Greek. It is dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena. It is one of the oldest temples in the world. People visit the place for a fresh breath of culture. Number 6, Easter Island Head is also known as Moai. These are monolithic human figures carved by the rocks. Many are still situated at Rano, Ararakui, but some have moved. So this is a quiz about famous monuments of India. Find the correct answer and write the correct option. Let's start. Who built the Vrideshwara temple at Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu? Rajaraj Chola. A. In how many cities Jantar Mantar was built? 5. Which monument was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah in 1591 to commemorate the end of the plague in the city? Char Minar. Who designed the Indian Parliament in New Delhi? Sir Edmund Lutyens. Which monument was built by Shah Jahan? Jama Masjid. Number 6. Who built the famous Shalimar Bagh of Srinagar? Jahangir. Number 7. Who is considered as the Chris architect of Taj Mahal? Plephanta. Which monument was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay, Gateway of India? Eiffel Tower is located in Paris. It is a global icon of this city. Eiffel Tower is located in Paris, France. Where do we find cave temples of three faiths in India? Flora. Okay, everyone, so the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 42. Miss India is Miss World of India. Look at the pictures of some famous Miss Universe and Miss World of India and read the description and write their names. She was born on 19 November 1975. She is an Indian actress, model and the winner of the Miss Universe 1994 pageant. She was crowned Feminine Miss India 1994 at the age of 80. She is Sushmita Sen. Number 2, she was born on 16 April 1978. She is an Indian actress, entrepreneur, and the winner of the Miss Universe 2000. She was crowned by Miss Intercontinental in 1997. She is Lara Datta. She made the country proud by winning the Miss Universe 2021 competition. She became the third person to win the title after Sushmita Sen and Lara Datta. She is Harna Sandhu. She is an Indian actress, singer, film producer, philanthropist, and the winner of the Miss World 2000, one of the highest paid and most popular Indian celebrities. She is Priyanka Chopra. She is an Indian actress and model who was the winner of the Miss World 2017 pageant. She represented her state of Haryana at the Femina Miss India 2017, which she won and went on to become the sixth representative from India to become Miss World, Manushi Chillar. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 43. Friends, let's start our adventures in Queensland this year with a quick tour around the world. Write the correct letters from the relevant pictures alongside the quiz. It is green and beautiful. It is also called Emerald Isle. Sudan. S. The Cathedral of Notre Dame is located here, Cambodia. The Matterhorn is located in this country. Its capital is Van, Syria. The Statue of Liberty is located here. Statue of Liberty, Australia. Mount Cook is the highest peak here. This was the first country to allow women to vote, Indonesia. This country has the oldest parliament, the Elthing. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, number 5 is Iceland and the number 6 is Indonesia, I also. This country's capital is, the Haji Ali Dargah is located here, India. The capital of this country is Damascus. It is also called the Pearl of the East, United States. US. Number 10, till 2011, this was the largest country in Africa. Its capital is Khartoum. Also, United States. US. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 44. National and international event. In India, we habitually celebrate many days which are of social, international, economic, commemorative or festive importance. Some of the days are also significant for general studies. It has at least one question about the celebration of the important days and dates. Every international day adopts a theme for that year. The concerned authorities formulate the policies according to the theme adopted for the year. So answer the following questions. When did the Pulwama attack happen? 14 Feb 2019. Feb 2019 in Pulwama. Who won the Man Booker International Prize 2000 Onan Joka Alati for his novel Celestial Bodies? Who has launched the world's largest nuclear power icebreaker, Russia? When did the terrorist attack happen in Sri Lanka? On 21 April 2010. On 21 April 2010. When was the legal ban on triple talaq imposed? Vidisha, when was the legal ban on triple talaq imposed? When was the legal ban on triple talaq imposed? 1 August 2019. Okay? Who is the first Indian to be crowned as Miss Tea World? Vidisha Balian. Vidisha Balian of Muzaffarnagar. Okay? So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 40. Look at the pictures and find out in which museum of the world you can view them. Pick your answers from the clue box. So first one is, this is National Air and Space Museum, Washington. C. ये पूरा तो आंसर आएगा नहीं, मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन कर देती हूँ C. ठीक है, ये वाला नेशनल एयर एंड स्पेस म्यूजियम, वॉशिंगटन. नंबर 2 F. Museum of Modern Art, New York City. F. Number 3 I. The Vatican Museums and Galleries. This was the Vatican Museum and Galleries. So this is I. Number 4 the Metropolitan Museum of Art, New York. H. And the number 5 is Louvre, Paris. A. Number 6. Which museum is it? D. Salah Jung Museum, New Delhi. This is D. Number 7. B. Rijksmuseum, Amsterdam. B. Okay. Now number 8. G. Egyptian Museum, Cairo. G. And the last one is E. National Rail Museum, New Delhi. Okay. So the chapter is in here. Let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. Write the names of the countries to which these leaders belong. Use a clue box to identify the correct answer. Let me start. Number 1. ये अर्जेंटीना के लीडर हैं. Argentina. Number 2, China. Okay. Now let's number 3, Cuba. Number 4, USSR. Number 5, USA. Now number 6, UK. Number 7, India. Nehru ji. India. Okay. Now number 8, Pakistan. And the last one is Vietnam. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 47. As we know them, some people are known to us by special names. Write the special names by which we know the people. Given in the figures below, pick your answer from the clue box. Okay, John of Arc, so who is made of dreams. Where is clue box? Okay, made of Orleans. Number 2, Eric Tonewood's tiger. Okay, number 3, PT Usha, Golden Girl. Next, Napoleon Bonaparte, Little Corporal. Number 5, Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev. Okay. Number 6, Ernesto Guevara, She. William Shakespeare, The Board of Avon. Number 8, Shahid Azam. Okay, Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji. General Erwin Rommel, Desert Fox. Number 11, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. Iron Man of India. Okay, the Beatles. The Fab Four. Okay, everyone. So the all chapter of this units are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand this chapter. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.